Hi, in this video, we'll be talking about how you can create and edit entity relationships in Astera Data Warehouse Builder. An entity relationship represents the association between two tables that exist within a database. Here, we have a data model that contains two entities, sales and employees. From a logical standpoint, a table containing employee data is linked to one containing sales data in the sense that each sale is made by an employee. Therefore, in this case, employee is the parent entity and sale is the child entity. And the link connecting these two entities represents the relationship between them. To edit an existing relationship, right-click on the relationship link and select Edit from the context menu. On the Edit Relationship Configuration window, you can view and edit various characteristics of the relationship. First off, you can choose a type between identifying and non-identifying. This can also be done via the context menu that appears when you right-click on the link. Other than this, you can define certain attributes of the relationship via the parent alias, child alias, constraint name, and verbs text boxes. The mandatory checkbox can be used to define whether it is mandatory or optional for the parent entity to participate in the relationship. Again, this can also be defined through an option available in the context menu that appears when you click on the link. The table at the bottom of the window contains a non-editable column representing the parent field and a corresponding drop-down menu for the foreign key or keys. The parent field is the primary key of the parent entity, and the foreign key is a corresponding key that represents the relationship in the child entity. Now that we've covered the basics of editing entity relationships, let's see how you can create new relationships in Astera Data Warehouse Builder. To create a non-identifying relationship between two entities, click on this icon in the toolbar and then simply drag a relationship link from the parent entity to the child entity. You can do the exact same thing to create an identifying relationship by clicking on this icon instead. Other than these two, you can also create a self-reference relationship within a singular entity itself. For that, click on the entity that fulfills the requirements for a self-reference. This will enable the Add Self-Reference icon in the toolbar. Once you click on this icon, you'll notice that a self-reference relationship link will have been created to and from the entity in question. So this is how you can create and edit entity relationships in Astera Data Warehouse Builder. For more information, please visit our website. Thank you for watching this video.